my name is Georgie and I'm one of the teachers for LittleCooks. Today we'll be cooking some slice. It's actually one of my favourite slices. It's chocolate and apricot and oat slice. So first what we have to do is you have to turn on your oven. So I've got my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Once you've turned your oven on, then you want to get just a regular slice tin. And you just want to line it with some baking paper. So I just kind of lined it with some baking paper. And then what we do after that is we're going to make our base. And then we're going to put our base in the oven first. So what we need in our base, I've got 125 grams of butter. So we just want to put that all into a mixing bowl, as you can see. And we're just putting all our base ingredients in together. So then we're going to put in some sugar, and we need I think half a cup of sugar. So I'm just going to measure that out. Now I don't have any measuring, I'm in the Coromandel and I don't have any measuring cups with me, so I'm just going to have to use a measuring jug instead. There you go, pour that one in. Now we want a cup of flour, so I'm just going to make all this in. It's always really good, what I do is to get a spoon and then put the flour in, just so we're not spilling a whole lot of flour so we get home. Okay, so a cup of flour in there, perfect. And then we need a cup, half a cup of oats. So I've just got some quick oats here, but you can use rolled oats. Just use whatever oats you have in your pantry or whatever you can get at the supermarket. So we're just going to have half a cup of oats. A cup, perfect, great. That is all of our base ingredients. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to mix all of our base ingredients together. Okay, now so I've mixed all my base ingredients together and I've put them in the slice tin, and now I'm just pressing the slice tin. We're pressing the mix into the slice tin just with very clean hands. Okay, we have to make sure that we've washed our hands, but I promise I washed my hands before we started. So that's always really important, to wash our hands before we start, especially with what's happening in the world at the moment and everyone telling us to wash our hands. All nicely pressed down, and now I'm just going to pop it in the oven. So we pop it in the oven for, let me just double check, we pop it in the oven for 15 minutes. The base has to go in for 15 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Awesome, so now I've got my base in the oven and the timer's on, so I will hear that when it needs to come out of the oven. And now we're going to make our topping. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut up our apricots. So as you can see here, I've cut up my dried apricots. And then what we do after that is we're going to start beating our eggs and our brown sugar together. I'm just going to crack these eggs. You might need someone to help you crack some eggs, but all of my girls are pretty good at cracking eggs. The girls that I teach at Dio are very good at cracking eggs. A cup of brown sugar, so we need a cup of brown sugar. Great, and that goes in with the eggs. And then what we want to do is we're going to beat them with an electric mixer. So here's my electric mixer. I'm just going to turn it on, and I'm going to beat this together until it's light and fluffy. Should kind of look a little paler than when you first started. I'll just show it to you. So yeah, so just like this. You can't see it too well, but you kind of just want to beat it for a couple of minutes. Now what we want to put in, we've got some more plain flour here that we're going to put in. Now I was silly and I forgot to sift the last lot, but we're going to sift this lot. Okay, so that's a third of a cup of flour is going in there, sifted. So that makes it nice and kind of aerated, which is why we do this, to get out the bits that we don't want. Awesome. And now I don't have any measuring spoons, but I do have this one. So we want half a teaspoon of baking powder is going in there. Perfect. Great, so we're just putting all of our other ingredients in there together. So we've got flour, the baking powder, the apricots. Put them in there. Perfect. Now we need 3/4 of a cup of desiccated coconut. Yeah, it's alright if it's long thread too. Just kind of whatever you've got in the cupboard or whatever you can get hold of. Doesn't have to be desiccated. I think what I've got here is a long thread. Awesome. In we go. And then I think this is last but not least, the chocolate chips. Yum, yum. So we want 1/3 of a cup. In we go. Great. And then we kind of mix this all together. You kind of want to do a bit of a folding technique, which is kind of, you get your spoon right under there and then kind of lift it. This can be done with a spatula. As you can see, I've just got a spoon here, so I'm just using my spoon, but you kind of want to stir it quite gently and lift it up. So go around the bowl and lift it up through the middle. So you're kind of making sure that you're getting all that flour mixture in, but you're getting nice air bubbles in it, which is going to make it nice and fluffy rather than stiff and hard and gross. Yeah, so it's nearly done actually. I've nearly folded all that through. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put this on top of the hot base. On top of our base that's just about to come out of the oven, and then we're going to put them both back in the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes. And then it should be done and ready to eat. So I've just got my hot base out of the oven, and it's a little bit brown. I'll just kind of show you how brown it is and how brown it needs to be. Can you see how it's kind of turned a little bit golden on the top? That's kind of what you want. And so from there, we're just going to lie it flat on the bench. It's still hot, so I have to be careful with my oven mitts. And then what we want to do is we're just going to pour this topping all over the top of our nice base. Oh, look at all that chocolate in there, it looks delicious. The specialists, the health professionals at the moment have told us not to eat raw eggs or to cook eggs really well, and just remember that this has got egg in it, and we don't want to increase our chances of getting the virus. So it's really important that we wash all our utensils really well, and not lick this bowl because it's got raw eggs in it. Even though it's really tempting, because I'm sure it's very tasty, but we just kind of want to cook it all first and then eat it when it's done, because that cooking it will get rid of that virus because it won't be able to survive in such a hot oven. Awesome. So it's looking really yum now. We're just going to pop it in the oven for 20 minutes, and I'll see you when it's done. So the slices just come out of the oven. It smells delicious, and I'll just hold it up so it should be really nice and puffy. Can you see that? And then you'll cut into it and it'll do like this nice kind of sinky, kind of oozy thing. Enjoy. Delicious.